If you're busy just like me, you don't have time to put dinner together, you might want to check this recipe out. It is done in 20 minutes. It's my delicious tomato soup.
For this tomato and rice soup, first gather your ingredients. You'll need tomato sauce, vegetable broth, a mirepoix of carrots, celery, and onions. For spices, you'll need cayenne, chili flakes, olive oil, sea salt, and garlic. You can find the exact measurements in the caption below or on my blog at christineavanti.com. Set your stove to medium-high.
Put the olive oil in. I'm gonna do salt, pepper, cayenne, red chili flakes, most important, garlic. Let it start to sizzle. And the next goes the mirepoix. Now I'm gonna get it in there.
Next, add the vegetable broth and give it a good stir. Then pour in your favorite organic tomato sauce. Let it simmer for a few minutes. Then add the rice. Stir well and bring it to a low boil and let that cook for about 8 to 10 minutes.
Here we are, my delicious tomato soup. Perfect for a cold day and a hungry belly. My delicious tomato and rice soup, and it pairs well with a vegan grilled cheese sandwich, just like this one. Oh yeah, let's dip it in. So good. Make sure you check out these recipes.
Remember to like, save, share, and that you are deeply loved by God.